Call me up when you feel low. No matter what it is, I wanna know, so I can make it better now. I wanna be the one who makes you laugh. I wanna be your only one alive.
Good morning, guys. Sorry, my eye is itching me. I've been having itchy eyes for the past few weeks, especially this one. I don't know why. Recently the itching has increased and it's so much that I don't know what to do. I've been using eye drops that was recommended for it, but I still itch it. Like, I still feel the itching and I don't know what to do. But maybe I'll go back to the clinic so they can just take a look at it. How is everybody doing? Meanwhile, it's Sunday morning. I'm partially ready for church. I'm not fully dressed, but I've had my bath and I'm ready to go to church. But before I leave, I just wanted to come here and show you guys something. During the week, I ordered something. That was on Tuesday. Should be on Tuesday. I ordered some my skincare products that are almost empty, that are almost finished. So, and in less than 2 days I got them. That was the fastest delivery I've ever had in a long while from vendors. It can be very crazy. I did a video on my skincare product up here, so I'll link it here. If you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. Those products has really done an amazing job for my skin. See, my skin tone, can you see? My skin and my face has become same color, as in the difference is not that obvious. Also, I did a video of this. I know I did a video of how I made this somewhere here, so go check it out as well. Yeah, this is what I'm having this morning: cucumber and orange juice. This is what should be in your stomach. Fruits should go in first in your stomach before you talk about water, because they help you kickstart your system, and it's an amazing thing to do. So this is what I'm having this morning while I unbox my skincare product that just came in a few days ago. Okay. That is how it came. This is how it came. I think it's Konga that brought it. Konga delivery service is top notch, guys. It's not a sponsored ad, but this people's service is amazing. So let's get it unboxed. Dang, dang. You know it will always be dang. Yeah, her product is amazing. Dang to the world. Dang lifestyle be doing the most. Oh, I got 2 bottles. I got 2 different products from them. These are the 2 products. I have been consistent. I've tried their I love the sound of unboxing things. I don't know if I'm the only one who enjoy unboxing. Hold on, let me get my glasses. Hi. Oh my days, I think this spilled. Shit. The niacinamide, I got this my first time of getting it, but I had to get it. It spilled. It's okay. I don't know. It spilled. It spilled. Hold on, let me open the other one. Knife will save me all this stress, but I don't have the time to start going to look for knife. Okay. This is the one I've been using before, which I talked about in my skincare video here. Is called the collagen, the hydrating serum, collagen and hydrating serum. This was the only thing I was using before that, kind of, you know, clear that hyperpigmentation for my skin. Now I've heard a lot about their niacinamide. Niacinamide is just plain vitamin B3, which is good for the skin. I've tried it a couple of times from Sprouting New, and it's just that they don't have it anymore. It's out of stock, so I decided to try that out. Then this is the niacinamide. I don't know if it has focused, while this is the collagen and hydrating serum. Yeah, that's what this is. Both comes in 50 ml, and both are, I got them for 8,750 per one. So this is like 16,000 plus, if not 17,000. I think it should be 17,000 plus, and I'm happy I got this because I want to try this and see what it does. I heard it does an amazing thing, and it's like an exfoliating serum, so get your skin back in order. So that's why I tried it. Guys, there's something else people kind of misunderstand. If you eat healthy, it will reflect on your skin, but you also need to, you know, use good skincare products to get your skin glow that you're looking for. So cucumber, ginger and orange be doing the most for me. While I'm on this, I'll see you guys later, maybe when I come back from church. Bye for now. Hey guys, I'm dressed for church. I had to do this. I wasn't sure if I would do it. This is what I look like. I'm off to church. I'll see you guys after church service. All right, stay safe. Bye. Peace.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, I'm actually done from church. I'm walking down. Looks weird vlogging on the road, but I used to get to Oyimi Market to buy some fruits. I've been meaning to do this for the longest time. The noise. Today is actually Sunday, but they sell things there as well. You can get fruits there are way cheaper than it is from the regular supermarkets and fruit vendors within my area. So I'm heading there. Something else is I don't have cash, so I want to go to the ATM to get money. There's an ATM just down the road here. I just walk down there and get money and then start heading to the market. I'm feeling awkward that I'm doing this on the road, but you guys will have to bring content. I will see you guys maybe when I get to the market. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the market. This small thing, 500 naira. It's too much. This one, how much? This line now. 3,500. What are they buying? Why they buy 500? What's this? Lime? Lemon? Give me the 200 around. Is that the only jar? Give me this one. This one? No, this one. This one. Which one again? This one. Any other one? No other one. Where the Jara? Where the Jara? Not Payam. Give me Jara because Jara is very important in this our ministry. I don't share up.
Call me up when you feel low. No matter what it is, I wanna know, so I can make it better now. I wanna be the one who makes you laugh. I wanna be your only one alive. So tell me how we can move from the past to now. Try, hold me closely, just sleep, baby. Let your voice
Guys, I look like a hot mess. We've had one of the most ridiculous days in the market today. Everything like this. Oh, this few minutes before 3. So apparently I've spent 5 hours. What am I buying? Everything is expensive, so I'm pricing left, right, and center so I can get the best price, because people will tell you 100 naira. They don't know if you're earning up to 100 naira. If you like to see video contents like this, please let me know in the comment section. But in all honesty, things are expensive, and if I tell you how much I went to the market with, and it's gone, like gone, disappear. I don't see waiting I buy it. Everything is gone. But I'm happy because they're a lot cheaper compared to buying from the grocery shops. They're a lot cheaper there compared to buying from the normal market. Let's cite an example. Let me show you guys. Let's see. Example is this. This is a carton of hold on guys. This is a carton of tomatoes I got. I saw it at Next Cash and Carry for, how much was it? 4,850, but I got it for 3,600. Then this is a carton of spaghetti. I saw it at the grocery shop for 7,400. I think 7,400. But I got it for 6,600. So you see, the difference is just much. This I saw and I got 2 of it. Money Fresh. Money Fresh from the grocery shop is there are some stores you go to and you see for 980, 1,000. In fact, 1,000 majorly. That's what I most times that's how much I see it in different shops. Well, this is 800 naira, so I had to buy two of it. And other things, if you ask me, I would say things are a lot cheaper from the open market, but not everything. When it comes to meat, fish, let's say meat especially, I'll prefer to buy from the grocery shops instead of buying from the open market. It's a lot cleaner, it's a lot better than buying from the open market. So those are the things that I know I would prefer to buy from either a cold room or a grocery shop than buy them from the market. Then every other thing I prefer to buy from the open market, which is a lot cheaper when it comes to prices. Do you like this video? Do you want to see more video content like this? Unedited market day. This is like I bought everything in bulk because obviously Christmas is coming and prices are rising every blessed day. Things are increasing whether we like it or not. So do you want to see more video content like this, market day videos, errand day videos, unboxing videos? Please let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, guys. Don't forget, subscribing is just very free. It's free. Just hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, and I hope you love this video.